How to block spam calls on Android. Hello everyone, welcome to this channel. I'm Emily and I'm here to help you out today. So without any delay, let's get started. First of all, what you need to do is just open up your phone application on your device and then tap on the three dotted lines at the top right corner. So as you tap on that, you'll be able to see the settings option, so tap on it. And at the very first option, you can see the option of caller ID and spam. So tap on it and here you can see caller and spam ID option, so which is toggled off right now. So just tap to toggle on and this will identify business and spam numbers, and it will also filter the spam calls by preventing the suspected spam calls from disturbing you. So just toggle on these options, and whenever there are any spam calls, then you'll be able to get notified by your device itself, and it will help you in blocking those spam calls. So thank you so much for watching this video. If you enjoyed watching it, don't forget to like, subscribe and hit the bell notification for more updates. That's it for today. See you next time.